Class 10 trigonometry. If sine 17th equal to x by y, let us show that sec 17th minus sine 73 equal to x square divided by y into root over y square minus x square. Here is formula used: sine 90 minus theta cos 90 minus theta sin theta, 1 by cos theta equal to sec theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Now this equation we write here. Now sec, we know sec 1 by sec equal to 1 by cos minus, we know sin 90 minus theta cos theta, so sin 90 minus 17 equal to cos 17. Here is 1 by cos 17 we write here. Now we know sin square theta plus cos square theta 1, so cos theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta, cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta, and cos theta equal to root over 1 minus sin square theta. We write here theta equal to 17 minus, here is same, cos theta equal to root over 1 minus sin square theta, theta equal to 17. Now 1 is 1 minus sin theta, sin 17 equal to x by y given in the problem. So x by y whole square as it is whole square minus root over 1 minus sin 17 equal x by y whole square. Now we simplified it, we get here is y divided by root over y square minus x square minus root over y square minus x square divided by y. Now simplified, we get y square minus y square plus x square divided by y into root over y square minus x square. Minus y square plus y square cancel, so it will be x square divided by y into root over y square minus x square. It is proved.